We run the full gamut of architectural millwork and casework. We do a high-end veneer work, plastic laminate, finishing, all for corporate and institutional market. It's always a new challenge and a new project, and I still get a real charge out of seeing the finished products. What's different about our business is that we don't rely on outsourcing. We like to keep everything in-house. We engineer, draft and engineer all our own products. We've focused on fast-tracking projects, and the only way to fast-track projects is to keep it all in-house. We don't rely on vendors. We are completely responsible for the finished product and the schedule. But the real difference is that with Stiles, we've been able to automate significantly. We went from a craft shop, which basically is an individual mechanic with helpers building a whole product from start to finish, to a production shop, which is more akin to an automotive manufacturing line. I guess about 25, 30 years ago when CNCs first came on the scene, we were one of the few shops that invested in that so that we can be competitive, because we just couldn't get the skilled craftsmen. Our larger competitors looked at us in awe. Our ability to produce the product quickly has been greatly impacted by the equipment. Before we were doing a lot of business with Stiles, we had some problems getting quality machinery and getting it serviced. Stiles was responsive, the service was here, and we've been happy with them. That's why our equipment is Stiles purchased equipment.